guys, last night had the earthquake, but I was sleeping. And at Cebu City, it was so strong. So I'm gonna check out Cebu City right now. Oh my god. Look at that. Pa, look at that.
What?
Look.
Cebu City is just fine.
No, pa. Remember before we see a lot of buildings? It's fewer. Can't you notice?
Nah, it's the same buildings as before.
Oh my god, you did not notice.
Okay, just show them to your followers.
Look, guys. Cebu City.
New Star here.
New Star. My friend named Riha, a Korean, was at New Star, and then after, like the earthquake hit New Star. So, pa, you're telling me like SM Seaside also got hit, and also that bridge.
Yep, that's Lexia.
My God, guys, all the way up there. That all the way up to New Star, all the way there. Yeah, that is just being covered. My God. The earthquake was so strong. Right? Here, like see that big
That's
building?
the Mandani Bay.
Was the earthquake also there?
Yeah.
There all the way up to there? That's so big space. I bet it will take 4 hours there all the way there. Am I right?
4 hours to travel?
Yeah, there up
I
to
think
there.
just 1 hour 30 minutes or 1 hour from here.
No, if we start there, go there, and then back.
Buyog, come here.
Guys, I saw a boy. I want to run away.
Oh, no. Don't panic. You're already inside.
What's this? What's this?
That's Japanese candles.
Oh, I want to see what's inside.
Japanese candle?
Yeah, but bye, guys.